Hello guys, welcome back. In this video guys, I'm going to show you quickly how to convert from PDF to image. So guys, first step we need to do, just go to google.com, then please search like this, PDF to image, like this. Then please go into the first website, it's called PDF to image. Then here click to upload file. So I'm going to upload this PDF file, then click to download. Here we're going to open this file, then click here to PDF, and as you can see, this is PDF file converted to image, as you can see. So I hope guys like the video, and just put a comment, like my video, subscribe. I will be happy if you I give you an advice. So see you guys in another video.